Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita, and in my today's video I would be showing you how to straighten your hair using aloe vera gel. So I would be using Aroma Treasures aloe vera gel. This is a paraben free aloe vera gel, 125 grams of the product, which costs for 96 rupees. So it is quite reasonable, as well as this product is good. And the only problem with the product, it has some colorant in it. It is little green in color. Otherwise it is a good aloe vera gel. So you can of course go for this aloe vera gel, or else you can use any aloe vera gel for your hair. Aloe vera gel is very good for your hair, you know already. And today I am using this Agaro straightener hair straightening machine, model number HS6511. Rupees 995 is the MRP, but I got it at a flat 50% discount from Nykaa.com, so I found it at rupees 450 or like that. So that is a really very good deal. So you can definitely get this straightener from online, because it is a very good straightener at a very low price. So I would be using this Agaro hair insta straightener ironing tool and this Aroma Treasure aloe vera gel as a heat protectant. This is how it looks from inside. It is pink in color, so you can choose any color of course. Done, you can see, and the cord is pretty much long, so even if your plug is a little away from your position, then also it will work well. Straightener is very handy. It is very small. It is not too hard, so you can get the grip easily on your hair. Why suddenly aloe vera gel, you might be asking me? Because aloe vera gel is easily available. Secondly, it is chemical free. Thirdly, it is very good for your hair. It adds shine to frizzy hair. It gives nutrition to dry damaged hair. It protects from UV rays. It protects from infections and dandruff. So these are the all good things that aloe vera gel does to our hair. So when aloe vera gel is coming as a heat protectant layer, then of course the heat of the iron will damage your hair less. Not only your hair is protected from getting damaged from high heat, but also your hair is constantly getting nutrition from the aloe vera gel, which you are using as a layer on your hair. So instead of using any chemical based heat protectant for your hair styling, go for aloe vera gel. It will give you equally good result. No compromise on your styling part. Your hair will be straightened and will be nourished throughout the day. Now let's start with my video. Look after finishing the straightening with this aloe vera gel and this straightener. I don't like very poker straight kind of hair. I like more the natural naturally smoothened way of the hair, and so I haven't ironed it very much. Like I have just gone through each of the sections for 4 or 5 times, and that has resulted in a pretty much a manageable straight, yet not that artificial straight kind of look. So I'm pretty much happy with whatever look I got. And if you want even more straightened, even more like poker straight kind of hair, then you can go through each of the sections for 8 to 10 times. But yeah, that's your own choice. So yes guys, this is all for my today's video. Hope you found this helpful. If you really liked, then do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button out there, and stay tuned till I come back with a new video. Thank you. Bye.